All right, here we go. 15 minutes, low impact, rebounding, mood boosting, strength building workout today. Let's just get warm, just going feet in and out. Just get a feel for the rebounder. Oh, bring all your presence, everything into the next 15 minutes. Let's work hard, build some amazing strength, and have some fun. Oh, we got a great routine today. We're going to focus on one component of why rebounding is so amazing. In each workout, we're going to take information I've learned from Barbara O'Neill particularly. We're going to talk about the lymphatic system today, but more importantly, we're just going to work hard and have some real fun. Okay. Are we ready? Okay. So we're going to build some strength in the legs to start. In and out, but come down into a squat. This is always here for us if you need it. Out. Just doing a couple tiny little bounces in the middle and then squat. A couple tiny and then just find what works for you. You'll get there. Get as low as you can. It could look like this, that's fine. Yeah. A couple more. Yes, okay. Now just bounce. The idea will be, we'll do one strength building exercise for a minute or so. And then we'll bounce just for fun for a minute or so. That can be real slow if you want, or but to try to stay in motion for the entire 15 minutes. So have some fun. And then we'll build some strength. We'll go lower body, bounce, upper body, bounce. Remember, smile, have a laugh. And they're not just bouncing sessions. I'm just going to move freely. You do as you like. Okay. So, arms up, thumbs pointed up, and bounce. We go arms down, builds triceps, arms, thumbs up, builds biceps. And take your bounce however you like. You can go side to side, just straight up and down. We are building strength in our biceps with this movement. This one I definitely got from Barbara O'Neill, incredible health professional. I highly suggest looking into her and all her amazing treatments, particularly with castor oil, which I found to be an incredible product. Natural health promoting advice she offers, and is a big fan of the rebounder. I'm going to go in and out with my legs too, so we're building strength in the legs as we are in the biceps, as you should be able to feel it by now, I suspect, and bring it down. Okay, let's just bounce. Nice and easy. I'm going to swing my arms a bit, twist. Just follow along. You got this. I know you do. Just gently here. Okay. Now, are you ready? Thumbs down. We're going triceps. The shoulders are going to get tired as well. We're going to try to keep this going for a minute or so. If you need to bring the arms down and shake them out, do so, but come back up as quick as you can. And I'm going side to side for a moment. And maybe this is good to just focus bouncing up and down with the arms up, thumbs pointed down. building some amazing strength in the triceps. You got this. Oh yeah, oh I can feel it. Come on. You can do it. I know you can. Come on. Hold there. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, shake that out. Well done. Oh, yes. Okay. Just a nice light. Maybe we even come a little lighter. Bounce. Swinging the arms like I'm walking. Well, this is going to be a good one today. We're going to feel this. But most importantly, is our mood boosted and energy elevated? Yeah. Okay. Ooh. We're going to go to the legs next. Are you ready? Okay. So forward, back. Maybe you can start with the bar if you need. So you think of like a lunge. Forward, lunge. Just a couple bounces till you get your balance and then switch. You can put the arms out if you like. For balance, use the bar. I'm up on my balls of my feet. Oh, yep. Building amazing balance here. But it's just so good for building strength in the glutes, the legs. Ooh. Yeah, you could go. Ooh. Okay. Let's just stick with this for a moment. But there's another move. This is a bit of a new experience for me too. We're just finding new fun ways to move. Okay. And yes, just bounce. As we slow it down for our break between strength exercises, just go around the world. Around your rebounder. Connect to the breath. When we're taking our rest period, bring your attention to your breathing. When we focus on the breath, we will recover much more quickly, much more efficient and effectively. Ooh. This is good. We're halfway there. Come on. We got this. You ready? Okay. So, we're just going to punch. Bounce and punch. Find a nice rhythm. Might take a moment to find a groove. Feel like, yeah, the right comes together, as does the left. So left arm, left foot coming up a bit together. Keep the arms up nice and high. And just go. Find your flow and go. Nice and relaxed. Nice and easy. You got this. Keep going. Let's take this one a little longer. We got this. I know you can. I believe in you. 3, 2, 1. And bring the arms down. Nice, easy bounce. Just a minute or so of just light bouncing to recover till we get to the next exercise. Barbara O'Neill talks about, you hear a lot in rebounding, about the lymphatic system, which doesn't have a pump. So the bouncing really clears toxins, eliminates cellular waste. That's the lymphatic system, but without the pump, it doesn't move that easily. But when we stimulate every cell in our body, as we're doing with this natural bouncing move, we really help to eliminate a lot of the waste and toxins. And this helps to reduce inflammation. It's really great for muscle recovery. And Barbara O'Neill speaks of that this is the most effective full body lymph mover known. I haven't done the research on these things myself. I'm finding it from other great teachers, but seems pretty good. So think of it, we're clearing waste, cellular waste, toxins we're eliminating, but just by bouncing. All right, are you ready? One leg. Talk about strength and balance. Here we go. Again, this is here for you. We'll go 30 seconds each leg. Do your best and just engage your core. This is real core stability here. Whew. Maybe you need to look down to find where you are. We'll orientate ourselves on the rebounder in time. It'll be no problem, but stick with it. Come on. Just bounce anywhere. Whoa. Catch yourself. Great. We're going to switch. All right. Other leg. You'll find one leg is probably better than the other. Positive mindset. Yes. It's okay to stay in one spot if that works for you. I'm not sure if I'm choosing to move all the way around or if that's just what I have to do to keep my balance. I think if you can keep it in one place, yeah, that's great. But moving it around really we're required to use other muscles to stabilize. That uneven terrain is brilliant. Ooh, I think we are done with that. Well done. Ooh, yes, I can feel that also. Okay, let's jump, but this is our rest time. But we're getting the arms going. I love our active rests. Brilliant. This sort of downhill skier motion. Really great for mobility and get a good twist. All right. We're going to bounce overhead, out for 2. Overhead for 2, out for 2. I got the legs going out as well. Ooh. My shoulders are feeling a little gassed. How about you? We can do this. We got 2 minutes to go. No problem. Yeah. We're here for a good time. Not a long time. So let's have a good time. 'Cause the sun don't shine every day. I apologize. My singing, I know, but my mood is definitely elevated. Feeling amazing. Movement should be a joy. Let's make it a joy, a privilege, not a punishment. Couple more. Yeah. And out. And we rest. Gentle movement. Just for 20 seconds or so, and then we'll get one last strength building exercise in. Ooh. Every bounce, we're building strength. Every single time we move like this, we're building core strength, strengthen the legs, lift the arms up. There's strength. Really is an amazing full body workout. Okay. Let's make it. We're going to step and squat. Step and squat. Just 10 of these or so. And get as deep as you can. We're going to finish with this last strong exercise. Oh yeah. Step and sink. Just find your edge. Go a little bit further. 2 more. Great way to and up. That's it. Nice and easy. Slow it down. Remember, comment, job done. Stay accountable, share your progress. Just keep showing up for yourself because you matter. I will see you tomorrow.